Okay, so I don't know what your favorite juice is, but I do love my ginger juice. Now, are you team peeling of ginger or team I don't peel my ginger? So today I'll be sharing my hack on how I clean my ginger, in turn using it for my ginger juice, which I then use for my ginger tea or general cooking as well. Right, so in Ghana, you will find the organic ginger, which is smaller and intense. So a little does go a long way. And I grabbed this ginger from my local grocer. So yes, it is small, and I tend not to peel my ginger at all because, of course, there are nutrients as well in the skin. Absolutely. So the best way is, of course, you grab your bowl, you place your fresh ginger in the bowl, add your water, and then in my case, my vintage brush. Yes, you can see this brush has definitely been well used. Absolutely. Now, this can be a fiddly bit of a job to do. So it's something that when I do buy ginger, I do buy it a little bit in bulk. That could last me for a week or two, maybe. Yes. So then I'm now going to be scrubbing the ginger. So I'm getting rid of any soil that might be in that ginger. And if it means that the crevice is a little bit too tight, I will just break that off and just brush it beautifully. So after getting rid of the soil, I now need to rinse the ginger. So I will continue to do this 4 times or until I can see that the water does not have any soil or sand particle at the bottom of it. So it's imperative that you do use a bowl that would allow you the ease to see the particles. So yes, after 4 times, I'm good. And then I move on to the next stage. So here I'm adding my salt and I'm going to give my ginger a good old scrub. Now the reason why I'm doing this is just in case there are any bacteria in the soil or anything that my common eye cannot see. Then salt will just go in there and it's like, yeah, you out of the place. So I'm going to just scrub each and every, ginger with the salt, but I'd also allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So yes, it kills everything because this, I'm just going to be juicing it and enjoying it beautifully. So after that, what I'm going to do is just rinse it with water, and I just rinse it once. But then again, if the water is dirty, then I'd rinse it twice or until the water is clear. And then voila, my life is easy. Ginger is ready. Me, I don't peel my ginger. Now my ginger is ready and I've just sliced it because of course I'm going to be blending it. So you have the choice of blending it with water, but in my case, I have got my boiled pineapple skins and lemongrass. So yes, and I allow that to steep for at least about 2 hours, and that is the juice that I'm adding to my ginger. To the blender it goes, and I'm just going to blend this till I end up with that beautiful, smoothie, silky consistency. But of course, I'm going to be straining it as one does, whilst I'm still talking over there. So after straining my ginger and I've got my ginger juice, I'm using my recyclable bottles, and here I'm just portioning this. So this is just going to be the pure ginger juice, nothing more, nothing less, because then I can be creative in terms of what I add to it when I wake up in the morning or before I go to bed. Now the second one, I've got here some cloves, which is also going to add that extra warmth, and also grains of Selim, which really is great for your respiratory system. And here I then add my ginger juice. So this is going to sit in the fridge, and this can last me for about 4 to 5 days. Now, if you do want this to last you a little bit longer, then you can add a pinch of salt, yes, and that will just preserve it for you. Now, in my coming videos, I'm just going to be sharing how I create instant amazing, ginger juices and add new flavors. So yes, if you definitely want that video as well, leave a comment below. It's just the ease for life, We need to drink the juice and enjoy life. Abi, you see you. I've mixed it with some tintings here again. Now, if you do like natural products like this and flavors, then you are missing out if you haven't visited my website buyindudu.com, where I have things like sorghum blend, the Hwentia leaves blend, you've got the precursor, the Eden fruit tea, which also acts as seasoning, you've got the atadi sauces, the herby blend mix, your jollof, your rosary, the list is endless. You need to grab a bottle or two. Yes, and naturally you'd find traditional African recipes on my blog, indudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as indudubyfafa, so do pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And until my next video, stay blessed, be nice, be cool, be beautiful. Guess what? I love you for you. Thank you very much for taking the time out to watch me today. I appreciate that a lot. Toodles.